Alright, here we go. Here we go, writing compiler in C. Okay, music is way too loud. Okay, so previously, what I've done? Actually, I guess I was starting. I began doing precedence logic, right? Did I? Was I? For some. Oh, I was doing Lexer actually, right? Yeah, and guess that's when I stopped. Okay, so we're scanning token. Right, we skip all the spaces. Yep. Actually, you know what? Yeah, pretty good. Never mind. Okay, so we can detect numbers. I guess this one should be first. I don't know, I just like have this feeling, you know. So here it's not SRCI, it's current. The reference, I guess, yeah. Token type plus. Okay. Other than that, good. What else do I have here? Plus, minus, asterisk, slash, left parenthesis, right parenthesis. Okay, let's add it. Left parenthesis, nice, and right parenthesis. Good. Okay. If one of these works, right? How does tokens work now? So it's like start and land, right? So I have to update it. I feel like maybe I should create a function, you know, like token set, and just set character. Oh, actually, if I'll remove breaks, it will still work, right? Because like these cases, like they are unique. Like if it's plus, it can be anything else, right? And at the very bottom, I can make default. No, it's not gonna work. What if it's not, none of them? No, it's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. Okay, what do? I guess I'll just create function, right? Actually, I don't like this one, right? I don't like this one. I need next, right? Next function. So like I'm doing what? Start current, which is pretty good, I guess. Yeah. Should be sufficient. Here. Next, gonna return token, right? It's gonna be token. Is it really? Oh yeah, so it's scan token. Wait, what am I doing? No, I need next character, right? So it's gonna be. It's hard. It's gonna be character. Next char. I guess it's gonna be just next. I'm not sure. Next is gonna take Lexer first, so it's like almost a method, right? Lexer. And that's it, I guess. Right. So now return. How do I do it? So like I return the current and increase the right? Or do I do it other way around? So if we are beginning at the 0 index, yeah, I have to first return and then increase. It's not gonna work other way around. Lexer current, and it should be the reference. Oh, wait. Alright. So it's like plus equal 1. Right? And here, return Lexer current -1, the referenced. It should work. I think it should be safe, right? It's always gonna work. Like, unless we are like hitting the end boundaries. Like this one might fail, right? Oh, also I have to check if Lexer is null. Null pointers are ridiculous. Okay, if Lexer not equals null, what do I do? I have to return error, but how am I gonna do that? Do I seriously have to? No, wait. Okay, I can return empty character, right? Select expression. No, I can't. There is no such thing. Maybe you should just not pass Lexer, like null pointer into next, right? So it's like panic here, maybe. Not sure. How do I return error in a like? Holy shit! Let's try it other way around. What is the most, how do I say it, the most what, clean way to, is it called propagate? Propagate, okay, the error here. Or should I rather just panic if no is passed in? Let's go. I guess that's it. Special values, like, yeah, I thought about that, but like it's not what I want, right? Like, what if there is like, what if it's like literally gonna be null terminated string or something, right? Or in the file. Excellent question. First, a quick correction: the syntax is invalid. Yeah, you cannot. Yeah. Philosophy 1, panic. Treat as a programmer error. This approach assumes that passing null to next is a bug in the calling code. Yeah. The function precondition is a valid non-null Lexer must be provided. If this precondition is violated, the program is an undefined state and should stop immediately to help the developer find the bug. Okay, this is simplest and often the best approach for internal private functions where you control all the call sides. Okay, yeah, like it feels natural, yeah. Oh, I just asserted. This documents a precondition. Lexer must not be null. In the bug builds, the program will crash with the useful message. File and line number. Good. If this condition is false in the release builds with the bug defined, this line vanishes. Wait, what? If the condition is false? Wait. Crash useful message if the condition is false. Okay. In release builds with no debug defined. Okay, I got some drop frames. That's bad. But it doesn't seem a lot. In release builds with the bug defines, this line vanishes. It's not good. It should stay in release too. I should just panic. Fail fast, clean signature, self-documenting, no runtime overhead. Abrupt termination. The program will crash. This is unacceptable for libraries, servers, or applications that need to be robust against all inputs. Philosophy 2. Propagate the error. Treat as a recoverable error. This approach assumes that function might be called with invalid data and should not crash the program. It is the responsibility of the function to signal that an error occurred, and the responsibility of the caller to check for and handle that error. There are two clean ways to propagate errors in C. Return a special value. Better explain. Yeah, so it's int, but like, where do I return on sidecar? Cast on sidecar before promoting to int to avoid some. Wow, it's so bad. So I have to cast it back. Oh, and I can return end of life. It's so bad. It's like, no. No, I'm not gonna do that. Wait. There are two ways to propagate errors in C. Return a special value in better explaining, or pointer, right? As a way, it's pointer. First, idiomatic C, robust, allows multiple error types. End of file can mean null pointer, end of input, or yeah. Caller burdens. The caller must remember to check the return value. Forgetting to do so leads to bugs where end of file -1 is treated as a valid character. Use an output parameter. Yeah. Out of band error signaling. For Lexer's function with 2a returning int with LF is the most idiomatic and best choice. It mirrors the behavior of C standard IO library, making its usage intuitive for C programmer. I don't like really care about C standard library, honestly. Like, if I would want to like replicate something, it's definitely not gonna be C standard library. It also naturally handles the end of life condition, which you will need to implement anyway. Like, let's see logically, right? So like, if you pass in null pointer, like, okay, in a normal language, right? If it's okay, in which language I have to like? Okay, if it's Zik, right? If it's a pointer, it can be null pointer, right? Can it be? Like, it has to be optional, right? Zik null pointer. It can be null without optionals. Null. Open Zik point to a non-null value. To define a null pointer, you must make the pointer type optional. Yeah. That's what I think. Like, it should be the default behavior, right? So like, there is like by default pointers can't be null, except they are wrapped in optional, right? So if you pass in a null pointer, it's like you're bad because you can just like check it before passing if it's null or not, right? Right? It should make sense. So I panic here. Error. Lexer.next. Null pointer. Lexer is null pointer. It's probably just null, right? Because like, it's definitely like there's no other way, but it can be anything but pointer, right? If it's null. Lexer current. Also, I saw this. Where it was? Yeah, this one. Idiomatic C to advance and return the previous character. I don't think it's good, actually, right? So like, it's not clear. Like unless you know C, it just doesn't make sense, right? It makes sense only because I know C. But other than that, like, I first increase, but I return the previous number, so it's like post plus plus. It just doesn't make sense. So I'm just doing that way. So I increase it and I return the previous one. Okay, I have to check if it's. Do I actually have to check? Yeah, probably have to check if it hits the end. But what do you all return? End of file, right? If it hits the end, it's end of file. No, if it's like. Okay, there's no way for me to check, right? So like. Oh, actually, I can. So like, if we hit the 0, right? 0 character. It means we do not increase current, right? So we're like always stuck at 0, and it's never gonna grow and like never gonna suck all the garbage that is after the array. It should make sense, I guess. Oh, how do I do that? If current, what am I doing? Wait, lexer.current equals like that, right? Comparing the pointer. Oh yeah, there I had the reference. I'm curious, like, is this one the same to this one? Like, what is the code, ASCII code for 0? How's it called? 0? I don't know. It's just 0. Value 0. Oh yeah, it's literally 0, right? So like, if I'm doing n, it's 110. Yeah, so it's literally 0. Okay, it makes sense. Return. Okay, pretty good, pretty good, pretty good. Wait, what's wrong with my stream? Damn, I got so many drop frames. Internet here is just so bad. Please work, please work. Okay, it barely works. The package just doesn't load. Okay, it loads. Okay, yes, it works. It should work, right? Like OBS can't lie to me, right? It should not. It probably won't. Yeah. Next looks good to me. Right, so how does it work? If it's null, we just crash. If it's null, we just... or if it's 0, we just always return 0. Right? What if it's not 0 terminated? Is it an option? I guess it might be, right? Like, no, if I read a file in C, it should like append 0 at the end, right? It's like, it should be the default behavior. No way, it like... Okay. Current plus equal 1. And returns the previous one. Okay, good. So here, I don't need current. I mean, actually... I think it's good. Right? Is it? Is there like a cleaner way to do it? Okay, I guess I'm just over-optimizing it right now. Like, it just doesn't matter. This one works. Look at type number, type parse num. Okay, parse num might not work. Right? Will it? Parse num should use next. Where is parse num? Parse num. Is it num? Start. Fuck yeah. Okay, my stream is barely alive, I guess. I don't know what I can do right now. Probably nothing. I have to pass in lexer, right? Not start, lexer. Well, it's digit. If it's not digit, we just return, which is also good. Like, unless if it's not, like if it's 0, it should work just fine, right? Oh, I don't check the null. I don't check the null actually. Let's go here. Parse num. Lexer. while what? Next is digit, yeah, and here we're going next lexer. Num equals num multiplied by lexer.current. Oh no, it's not how it's gonna work. No, wait. The fuck? Wait, it's not how it's gonna work. Char equals lexer. No, it should be at the very end. Num equals current. Yeah, just like that. Looks pretty good. Looks, I guess, pretty good. And I don't have to check for null because like lexer is only used in the function, in the next function, right? And here it's already checked for null. It's pretty good. I guess I have to do something similar here. Should it be const char? Const char? Probably not. Remove. Next. Lexer. Right, it just doesn't matter. Current. Current equals next lexer. Token. Switch current. Pretty good. It should return token here. Also, why my light is so much dimmer? Wait a minute. How do I do it? Okay, I set type, right? Yeah. Token dot start equals lexer dot current token. Oh, I can't wait. Start equals lexer start, no, current dot len equals 1. What else do I have here? Type. Null. Okay, let's explicitly set null. Token type type equals token type null. I think maybe it would be a good idea to simulate optionals in C, right? And like already write code with optionals in mind. It might be so good actually. How can I make optionals? It's probably just a struct, which will say if value is there or not, right? But it's not the topic of today's streams, right? I'll do it later. Now let's end it. I guess you know here It's not break, it's return token. Token. Just like that. Just like that. It feels kinda... It looks kinda... but... That's what it is. Current, less token type number. Okay, will it work actually? Yeah, it takes current. Oh, it doesn't. Wait, actually, it's not taking current. Okay, there is do while in C, right? Do I want to use the while? C do while. Do while, yeah. There is a way to simulate it. Go, do while. I remember reading about that. How to replicate do while and go. For okay equals true. Okay. Okay, expression. Wait. Okay equals. Oh. Okay, wait. Bool, okay, equals true. Okay. That's not how I'm gonna do it, actually. Expect expression. Wait, and what I'm doing here? Sure. Oh, because it needs... It should be for loop, right? Bool. Okay. Okay, equals... This is current. Oh, it's gonna call it first time. Want it? No. Oh, here. I'm done. It's like it was not the solution. Okay, so they basically just do while true and the like exit condition in the end. If not, turn. Num. It should be just 4. Will it work today? It's probably not, right? Because it's on go. I guess it's gonna work that way. No, it's not. It's gonna work that way. Fuck, it looks bad. No, I'm not gonna use it. It's gonna be well true. Just so much readable. This one will never trigger. This one will never trigger. Panic. Unreachable. Parse, num. Just like that. Token type equals parse num. Lexer. Actually, you know, I should do it that way. It's like Lexer. Yeah, and actually, oh, it also makes sense. Yeah, so like method functions. Oops, sorry for hitting the mic. Method functions will start with capital letter because the struct starts with capital letter, right? It's like makes so much sense. Give me a moment. Okay, I have to go in 5 minutes actually, so I guess I'm about to wrap it up. It's already pretty good. It should work. This one should work too. This one too. Dynamic array append. Not really. It should just return a token. Token type, type number, type. Wait, why is it type? Token. Oh, I don't even need to parse the num, actually. Actually, I don't even need to parse the num. Token start equals Lexer current. Token dot len. Oh fuck it, it's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. While next. Fuck. Lexer. Next. Lexer. Not equals. Wait. It's digit, it's digit, it's digit. It's digit. Token dot len plus equal 1. Return token. Yeah, I guess that's it should work. And I'll test it tomorrow.